Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Canva software. So let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to type Canva, download, and press enter. You'll get this first link, Canva for Windows desktop app. Over here, it's a download button. You can click on download Canva for Windows. This will download the setup file. So Canva is also available for other platforms like macOS, iOS, Android, as well as Chromebook. Once setup is downloaded, you need to click on open. I'll minimize the web browser. So it will get installed and this is going to launch the Canva app. Now you need to log in through the browser. So I already have an account. You can create your account with all these options. So I'll select continue with Google. So once you're logged in, it is going to ask you what we'll be using Canva for. I'll select personal. Alright, this is how the interface of the app looks. You can search the templates over here, or you can also look for the available templates and you can use it. They have also provided upgrade to Canva Pro. This is their paid options. So that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.